If you are a primary school teacher in New South Wales, you may have heard that last year the New South Wales Parliament voted to overhaul the way that we teach consent education. Now, the national curriculum reflects this, and here at Grow Your Mind, we've been very busy researching, writing, and creating a new consent module so that you, as a busy educator who may have all the best interests at heart of your students to teach consent education, can do it in a meaningful and high impact way. We now have a dedicated module for educators to teach age-appropriate consent education to primary school children. This targeted wellbeing module is a standalone annual subscription that gives educators access to a library of resources that empower you to teach consent with confidence and ease. If you purchase the whole school program, it's included in that subscription. So really, this message is if you are a teacher or a school and you are not a Grow Your Mind school, and you just are after a way to teach consent education in the best possible way. This particular consent module also includes a consent PD. So that means that you can start teaching consent education with confidence and with ease.
Is my body, from my head to my toes. My body is my body. On the other side, what is the goal? My body is my body, from my head to my toes. My body is my body. On the other side, what is the goal? If you want a hug, I could say no. Don't tickle me unless I said so. It's my body and I have the power to say yes, stop or no at any given hour. It's my body and I am the boss. If I say no, then